Miss Sec. I'm recording this video for math teachers. There are 4 questions that I'm going to answer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blackboard, how to find your Sanford videos, how to use Khan Academy, and a question about the virtual classroom. So let's begin with being able to communicate with parents using Blackboard. To go to Blackboard, you go to the staff portal and click on applications and click on Blackboard Connect. And I've already signed in, but I was going to show you how to sign in. Let me copy this and log out. So to sign in to Blackboard, you don't want to use your username and password here. You want to click on Single Sign Out. This is what it looks like when you have an 8-year-old computer for the Prince George's County Public Schools. Okay, so you want to hit Create a Message, and okay, now I don't want to send an email. Okay, I want to call the parents. I want to call the parents tomorrow morning. So I'm going to click on Call down here, and I'm going to copy what I'm going to say. You have to type in your phone number, and you have to have your phone ready to record. So I'm going to click on who I want to speak to. So I want to speak to just parents from I have 2 classes, so I want to speak to my period 6 parents and my period 4 parents. So you need your cell phone nearby, and you hit call to record, and they're going to call you.
And press the pound key to end your message.
Good morning, this is Mrs. Sec. I'm your child's math teacher. Monday is the first day of school. We will have 45 minutes of class on Zoom and 10 to 15 minutes of independent practice 4 days a week. On Wednesdays, I will meet with a small group. The other students will have independent practice on Wednesday. All students should log into Google Classroom daily to see the assignments. Then I press pound.
To save this message, press 1. To listen to what you have recorded, this message has been saved. Thank you for calling. Goodbye.
Okay, and then you see it's a 26-second message, and it's going to call the parents tomorrow at 10 a.m. Oh, the subject is, okay, the subject is math class. Oh, this is where I write the subject. Okay, so tomorrow at 10 a.m., I will get an email saying which parents the message was sent to and which ones the message didn't get sent to. Okay, so the next thing I'd like to talk to you about is I had a question about my Google Classroom page. So I had a question about how did I create this banner? So I wasn't sure if that was a question or down below, so I'm going to answer both. So to create a banner, you hit text box, and then you do that, and then you can change how big you want it, and then you can type in the text box. Okay, the next question that I wanted to answer is how do I create this? So I just took a screenshot of these 3 things, and then I made a link for each of these things. So to make the link for the class schedule, what I did is I clicked on here, and then I clicked on insert link, this little oval thing, and then I pasted the link in here and hit apply. Okay, the next thing I'd like to talk to you about is Khan Academy. So I was trying to explain it during the meeting, but you weren't. I wasn't sharing my screen, so I'm gonna show it to you in this video. So even if you had Khan Academy last year, you may need to load Khan Academy in Clever. So in the search bar, I want you to type in Khan Academy and then install it. Okay. So even though I've installed, I don't see Khan Academy here. So I'm going to type in Khan Academy. Okay, now, if you have some classes that don't say 2021, you need to delete those classes. Now, the way you delete the classes is you click on the class and scroll down to settings. And then once you're in settings, you go down and hit delete this class. Now, I deleted all my old classes. So if you go to class code, the county had asked for us to share our class code with the class. But if you look at this message, it says, Clever students join your class by logging into their Clever portal. So you do not need to share the class code for Khan Academy. You need to just share the Clever code so that the students can sign into Clever. The last thing I'd like to talk to you about is the Sanford programs. So Mr. Mangrum had sent us an email about the Sanford. Okay. So in the email, he gave a website. So I went to the website and I registered. So to register, you don't use your username cannot be your email. Your username has to be something other than the email. So once you've registered and you create your own password, then you can sign in. You want to sign in to Sanford Harmony. So you go to Sanford Harmony. The directions that Mr. Mangrum emailed were very confusing. And there's some problems with the website, which is why I'm showing you this in a video. Maybe it's not Sanford Harmony. Maybe it's Sanford Inspire. Oh, Sanford Inspire is down. So